Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever found yourself battling with dry, cracked cuticles that just won't cooperate, today's product might be the secret weapon you've been looking for. We're talking about the Mineral Fusion Cuticle Treatment. This 0.33-ounce bottle claims to hydrate, repair, and soften your cuticles, all while being packed with natural ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, and aloe. Let's see if it lives up to those promises. So, what's inside this tiny powerhouse? The formula is non-greasy, which is a win in my book, especially for those of us who don't want to deal with sticky hands after applying cuticle treatments. The key ingredients, shea butter, jojoba oil, and aloe, work together to soften and protect dry, cracked cuticles. For me, that's a huge plus because let's face it, the cuticles can often be the most neglected part of our hands, and when they're in bad shape, the rest of your manicure just doesn't look as polished. The real test, of course, is in the application. Mineral Fusion's cuticle treatment comes with an extra thick brush designed to provide a flawless application. I'll admit, I was a bit skeptical at first about the brush, but it really does make a difference. It feels precise, and you can control how much product you're applying, which helps avoid messes around the nail bed. The application process is pretty simple. Just apply it to your cuticles, wait about a minute, and then gently push your cuticles back. In terms of real-world performance, I found this cuticle treatment to be a game changer for quick fixes. I often find myself applying it before bed or during a TV show, just letting it sit while I unwind. The softening effect is noticeable after just one use. Over time, I noticed my cuticles were more hydrated and less prone to cracking. It's definitely a staple in my routine now, especially when my hands need a little extra TLC. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Mineral Fusion Cuticle Treatment is easy to use, quick to absorb, and delivers noticeable results. The natural ingredients, especially shea butter, jojoba oil, and aloe, are a real selling point if you're into cruelty-free clean beauty products. The thick brush ensures you get an even application every time, and the formula is free from harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and camphor, making it a safe choice for those conscious of what they put on their skin. On the flip side, the size of the bottle, 0.33 ounces, might not be ideal for those who need a cuticle treatment for daily heavy-duty use. If you're doing frequent manicures or need something more industrial strength, you might go through this pretty quickly. Additionally, the price might feel a bit steep for the quantity, though I will say, the formula is effective enough to justify it, in my opinion. When it comes to value for money, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you want a natural, clean beauty product that works and you're not bothered by a smaller size, I'd say it's worth it. However, if you're on a budget or just need something for very frequent use, there might be other alternatives that are priced better for the amount of product you get. There are definitely other cuticle treatments out there, like Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream or C&D Solar Oil, which are more affordable and have a good reputation. But for those who prioritize natural, clean beauty formulations, Mineral Fusion stands out with its commitment to effective ingredients and its cruelty-free status. It might just be a better fit for people who are into a more holistic beauty routine. The packaging is simple, but sturdy enough for the price. It's compact, making it great for on-the-go use or for storing in your purse. As for longevity, I can't speak to the shelf life since I've only been using it for a few weeks, but based on its ingredients, it seems like something that would hold up well over time as long as it's kept closed properly. Now, I didn't have to interact with customer service for this product, but Mineral Fusion has a solid reputation for customer satisfaction, and they pride themselves on their cruelty-free practices, which can make the buying experience more reassuring for some. In conclusion, if you're after a clean, effective cuticle treatment that focuses on hydration and healing, the Mineral Fusion Cuticle Treatment is a fantastic option. It's ideal for those who want a cruelty-free product with natural ingredients that works in just minutes. However, if you're looking for a larger quantity or something more budget-friendly for everyday use, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts, whether it worked wonders for you or if you have any tips for taking care of your cuticles. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.